Hey, what's up, guys? Alan here with eatsleeptrade.net. Just wanted to go over the watch list with you guys for the week of 5/26. I hope you guys are having a good Memorial Day weekend and enjoying the 3-day weekend, spending it with your guys' family and friends. So happy Memorial Day to all you guys out there. And sit tight, we'll be back in just a second. Alright, guys, welcome back. So, first up on the list is SFS, so Smart and Final. And this one's been on the watch list for a couple weeks now, and for good reason. We were watching this pullback, hoping that this 1750 area would act as support and we would break out of this downtrend and start heading a continuing back up. That did not happen. We came back down and filled the gap from the previous gap up and found support here in the lower 1680s, and now have kind of continued sideways for a week and a half in this channel between the support that we fell through at 1750, which is now being resistance, and the support here around the 1680 area. So just kind of watching this one. We're kind of out of this downtrend now and heading more sideways. So see if we can't stabilize and get a run starting to come back up if we can get a close above 1750. So that's what we'll be watching into next week. Next up on the list is ELY. This one's been working pretty good. This was the idea on this was to come back and enter in on a swing on the pullback and support at the trend. So this one as well has been on the watch list for a few weeks. We got a position on these lows and came off the trend very nice. Pretty strong the first couple of days and kind of slowed down, but still grinding up pretty nicely. This 980 zone right here is a pretty dominant area of resistance, and I like the close on Friday. We got the close at 980, so I like that high close and want to see it get up and above that 980s and start heading back to 10 and get back above that as well. If we get above these 980s and continue higher, then our next resistance area is going to be right around here, around 1011. So that $10 area, that's what we'll be looking for next week, and hopefully continue this one up higher and hold on to this nice trend that it's had for a while now. Next up on the list is COWN, Cohen Group. Another nice one that we were trying to buy off the dip, going on its second week on the watch list. We took advantage of this big sell-off right here and got support here at the 50-day, as well as this previous resistance area here at 5 in the 550s. So got a started position on there on this doji day, and next day it ramped up really nicely, and then it's been consolidating up here since then. Good entry on that on the pullback, and going to look for it to start continuing, hopefully break higher and get above that $6 area. But a fairly strong stock that is still deemed pretty undervalued. So I think this one has a pretty good chance of continuing higher, and enjoyed the opportunity to take advantage of that large sell-off and pull back. And a new one that we are adding on to the list this week is LC, so Lending Club. So this is the full chart here, so fairly recent IPO, and it's just kind of been hanging out and consolidating down. Established this nice area of support that it eventually fell through and immediately started acting as resistance, starting to break above this long-term downtrend that it's been in for basically since it came out on the market, and testing that 50-day area and that area right here in that 1850s. So coming in next week, I'm really going to be looking for something to come up and get a close on Monday above that 1850 area, And if we do that, then I'll be looking to get in a position on this one. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on Twitter with that one. But that is going to wrap it up for the watch list for next week. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Also, guys, check out the website eatsleeptrade.net. From there, you can see all our other previous watch list videos, as well as our lessons on how to read charts. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.